There I pull up a CVT transmission, is it? Yeah. Just pull the case both them. I pull it from the inside, because from the outside much difficult, because the father reverse clutch out this, so I tried from this direction. Yeah, this is inside the CVT transmission. This is what you call a start clutch. Yeah, and this is a pump that pump the fluid. Yeah. This mostly go bad in the EK and ASCVT, even the underfit. Yeah. They ease up this piece and then they just use a puller and pull off this section, change the clutch and just put it back together. Yeah, alright. Here's what I did today, pull out two differential. One for the cami transmission and one for the under multimatic transmission. Yeah, no diff. That's a Civic E60Z6 Accord F23 Toyota 3S Honda D15B. Yeah, peer work go on. Yeah, morning peeps, there I pull up a Toyota transmission A140 E electronic diff, just pull out the diff. Real dirty water, rainwater. It a cell still, 3.9 final drive. Fit silica gearbox too. See there? Yeah man, this is the 3S FE diff, 3S GE. Just pull out. You see me? Nice and thing. Just want to give. Yes again, conversion boss, aka Teggy boss. Looking for some wires to do a conversion. Theta coolant temperature sensor conversion.